So we're watching the Super Bowl, and I hear these two just crying, and then I notice my dog has eyebrows.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Watermelon sugar.
Hi!
Watermelon sugar.
Hi!
Watermelon sugar.
Hi!
Watermelon sugar.
Hi!
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. Hey! No! 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 Ah! My happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy dog.
Oh no!
You must choose, Mr. Bond. Get your nails clipped or perish in the river below. What will it be, Mr. Bond?
Come on, dude.
Oh.
我操！你高头戏你玩不起，你个小垃圾，你真没有实力呀、你都不敢跟我正面对抗，你玩个屁你！
Cyrus, the people want to know. Can we get an a whoop? Thank you.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.